Global War 36 enthusiast here with Operation 8th Air Force, Turn 2.4, Japan. It is January 1937. Japan has 2 tech rules. First, I tried for improved construction at a 7 or higher. PB had generated a 1, so I failed. Second, I tried for large ship construction at an 8 or higher. PB generated a 10, so I succeeded. I advanced to stage 1. I'm a little bit worried about that 1 I rolled for improved construction because I'm hoping that I could get my recruitment roll for Suyan. Anyway, Japan has 20 IPP to spend. I will upgrade 2 militia to infantry for 4, 1 infantry for 3, that's 7, 2 marines for 8, that's 15, 1 artillery for 9 or for 4, that's 19, and then I will spend 1 to increase the chance of success for the creation of the Dadao government in Suyan. That'll bring me up to 20. Combat movement. Japan has no combat. Non-combat movement from northern Manchuria. 1 mountain infantry will strategic rail to Rihe, and this cavalry will move to Rihe. From eastern Manchuria, 2 infantry will move to Rihe. From Korea, 1 infantry will move to Rihe. From Sea Zone P15, 1 naval transport will pick up 2 Marines from Kyushu, move down to Sea Zone P32, drop off the 2 Marines in Formosa, and then go in port in Formosa. From Sea Zone P15, I will have 1 fleet carrier, 1 light carrier, 2 fighters, and a tactical bomber. 2 light cruisers and 1 destroyer will all move to P32. Adjusting my task force cards a little bit here so that I have the 2 light cruisers and 1 destroyer with my carrier forces there. Moving down to Sea Zone P32. All right. From Sea Zone P15, 1 coastal sub will move down to P32. From Sea Zone P32, 1 coastal sub will move down to P41. I think that is everything. So, placement of units. I will upgrade the militia in northern Manchuria to an infantry and upgrade the militia in eastern Manchuria to an infantry. In Rihe, I will build the artillery. In Kyushu, I will build 1 infantry and 2 marines. So that will leave me with the recruitment role in Siam and the influence role in Suyan to try to create Dadao. Okay, so for the influence in Suyan, I need a 1 or a 2, and for Siam I need a 1. So let's see what PBE generates. Rats. Okay, so I got a 6 for Suyan, so Dadao isn't created, and I got a 10 for Siam, so I didn't succeed with the recruitment there. Collect income. Japan collects 16 plus 3 for oil, so I will have 19 for next turn. All right, let's do disposition of forces. In South Sakhalin Island, I have a militia. In northern Manchuria, an infantry. In eastern Manchuria, an infantry. In Rihe, 1 militia, 8 infantry, 1 mountain infantry, 1 cavalry, 1 motorized infantry, 1 artillery. In Korea, 2 fighters, 2 tactical bombers. In Rihe, also 2 naval transports in port. In Sea Zone P14, 1 submarine. In Sea Zone P15, 2 battleships, 1 battle cruiser, 4 heavy cruisers, 2 destroyers, 2 torpedo boat destroyers, 2 naval transports. In Kyushu, 1 infantry, 2 marines. In Okinawa, militia seaplane. In Sea Zone P32, 1 fleet carrier with a fighter tactical, 1 light carrier with a fighter, 2 light cruisers, 1 destroyer, 1 coastal submarine. In Formosa, 1 militia, 2 marines, 1 coastal sub. In Sea Zone P41, 1 submarine, 1 coastal sub. In Sea Zone P50, 1 submarine. Next up is Hambone with turn 2.5 Commonwealth and 2.6 France.